are going out of Ayodhya towards Varanasi. See you sometime soon. But now it's 12 o'clock. We had left Ayodhya at 10:45. So what happened? My aunt was not well, so we went to hospital. Later on, I took some breakfast for them. We came back to hotel. She took some rest. Later we left at 10:45. So it's 12 o'clock. So it's raining here. We are in Sultanpur. From here 5-6 kilometers later we have a 4-lane highway to Varanasi. So approximately by 3 o'clock we will reach Varanasi. Welcome to Varanasi. This is how Varanasi is. Streets of Varanasi. If you're planning to come here, be ready to listen all these honks. Too much crowd, too much sound pollution. But क्या करें यार, आना पड़ेगा ना. ओल्डेस्ट सिटी जो है, हमारे भैया परिश्रम कर रहे हैं हमें ले जाने के लिए. जाते जाते बड़ी छोटी बन रही है. So we are proceeding ahead and the way is going narrow. So many luggages, people are coming. I love this, I don't know why, but I love this. छोटी छोटी गलियाँ, बहुत सारी खुशियाँ. भैया ब्रह्मागढ़ किस तरफ से? हाँ, धन्यवाद भैया जी. This is गली of Varanasi. So if you are coming here, don't get too many luggages. Yes, I'm seeing this, I'm showing you this and saying because I told my parents that very minimum luggage. But you can see how much they have bought. They have bought a lot of food and extra stuff, which is not at all required. So that's why I say, if anyone has been to any place, listen to them. And these guys didn't listen. They bought a lot of bags, and we have to search for trolley people. We have to search for rickshaws. They'll charge heavily. We have to bargain with them. They don't even listen to us. Lot of mess. Finally, oh, what a timing, you know. Angas, mag distasa. Okay, finally we got one tuk-tuk rickshaw. Will take us just 100 meters before our stay. So we are staying in Kashimath, Varanasi. So last time also when I had been to Varanasi, we stayed there only. And this one honking, yaar, stupid. If anyone had been to Varanasi, right, this is the one thing that sucks. Horn. People horn like anything. But कुछ तो खुशी है वाराणसी में. कुछ तो खुशी है. People who have come here, they might have experienced already. And people who didn't come, okay. सोने पे सुहागा, बारिश होना start हो गया. People who didn't come, please come to Varanasi here. This beautiful city. It's the oldest city of the world. World or India? I'm not sure, probably world only. We are going towards Brahmaghat. See, you can see Ganga here only. So I'll post a clip that was in the month of January. From here, we had to get down almost 30-40 steps here. From there, 40-50 steps. Then again, 10 steps down. That was the landmark. Now it's here. Crazy, man. So I just got my family settled in Mutt. Now I'm going towards Kashi Vishwanath. So I've already walked for 1.5 kilometers, but still I have 400 meters more. I'm here. So we have to walk a lot because there's no boat ride. It's very high tide in Varanasi. I know this is not the right time to come here, but God had some different plans. Our schedule got arranged for this day, and there was written that we'll come today, and they are here. Nevertheless, I just wanted my parents to see, all my parents, my aunt, everyone to see घाट यार. वो तो नहीं हो पाया क्योंकि सब घाट पानी के अंदर है. Constructions going on. have to take a right here. Remember this place? Last time I have taken photos here. Okay, I remember this place. Yep, I know. From here we have to take left, then it will go towards Manikarnika Ghat. If we are going right, then we are going to Manikarnika Dwar. So that is Kashi Vishwanath. From there I will take. Alright, we'll go. Yes, now I got the route. If we take left from here, we'll go towards Manikarnika Ghat, and if we take right, we'll go to Kashi Vishwanath gate number 4. Here is the Kashi corridor. I'll go this side. I'll see where we can take a way to go. Can you see this? What is this, man? Ganga is still here. I'm not able to believe this one. This is Manikarnika Ghat. So this is a Kashi Vishwanath corridor. I've come here to take VIP tickets. We'll see how long it will take me to do. First glimpse of Babaji. So now it's 11:30 p.m. The previous shot you are seeing was a shot at 5:30, 5:45 I guess. Later on I came back to Mutt. So currently we are staying in Kashi Mutt Samsthan, Varanasi, which is located in Brahma Ghat. So this Brahma Ghat comes in the way to Namo Ghat. Okay. So I came here, I reached, I was very hungry. I had some food. I had bun because they had prepared upma, but by the time I came here it was already finished. So I had one bun, couple of chips, one chai. Then I took everyone together with me. So what happened, my uncle, my father's elder brother is 72 years old. His wife is 67. My mom is 56. But everyone has different health issues. Okay, so I didn't wanted them to walk much, take rickshaws, but unfortunately the Kashi's places or the gullies are not that wide. You might know, if you have come here you might know, or else if you have seen any videos you might know this. So up to some extent you'll get or that electric rickshaws. Later on you won't get it. So I was provoking them, I was encouraging them to walk, because before Kashi Vishwanath I wanted them to visit Baba Kal Bhairav temple. I wanted them to visit Annapurneshwari temple, but unfortunately their health wasn't supporting. So what I thought, we went to Baba Kal Bhairav temple. There it took us 30 to 40 minutes, which should be fine. It was minimum rush. Then we came back, then we head towards Kashi Vishwanath. So what happened, the time I was going from Brahma Ghat towards Kashi Vishwanath, I took all the shortcuts. Obviously I don't know the routes. I know on some routes of Kashi, because last time I had been here, I was here for 2 days. I know some routes of Kashi major, but I don't know the exact each and every gully. Okay, so what you can do is, if you're here, you can just ask with people and you can move forward. I went with a very shortest route, and it just took me, it was 1.3 kilometers from Brahma Ghat to Kashi Vishwanath. It took me around 15 to 18 minutes, max 20 minutes, because it was slippery also. It was raining, and my chappal didn't had too much grip in it, so it was slippery. So I went very slow. So it took me 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, but when I'm taking them, though we are not going very speed, but I don't see Kashi Vishwanath coming, because everyone are saying, if I'm asking with everyone, they're saying 1 kilometer aage hai, and that 1 kilometer isn't it reducing only. So I thought, okay, people might be wrong. But then actually what happened, I was holding my ankle because it was too much slippery, right? So I didn't use my mobile. We were asking these people and we were going. But later I realized, why aren't we reaching? Because we have walked a lot. Their legs were paining. I didn't wanted them to walk so much. Okay. Then I checked in Google. It was the longest route that we are taking. It was like from Gully we are going straight towards main road. From there we have to take left. Instead, from Gully only we would have taken towards Manikarnika Ghat. From there we would have entered from Kashi Vishwanath, that corridor. Okay, so because of this we missed to take photos in front of that Kashi corridor. I'll put a picture here. So we took picture in the back entrance. So that is what I missed. Tomorrow evening we are heading towards Gaya. We have train at 4:20 p.m. 4:20 or 4:25, not exactly sure. We have train to Gaya, and before that we have to check out this mutt at 2:30. Then we have to move towards railway station. So now everyone has slept. I just wanted to give a conclusion to this vlog. That's all for this vlog. I'm not sure if I can shoot more or something like that, but this is gonna be a memory for me. So after a few years down the line, I can see my kids can see. I want all those memories to cherish. So because of which I'm making vlog. Okay, so that's all for this vlog. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Vanda Suresh. See you another. Bye.